What's going on, YouTube family? Back at you guys again with another video. My name's Garrett. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller of 3 years. And if you like anything e-commerce related, entrepreneurship related, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I want to talk about things I wish I knew before starting my Amazon FBA business. And really just things that I think if I let you guys know and be aware of these things, they're going to help you guys, grow faster, make more money, and really just grow the business you want to grow faster, easier, without making all these simple mistakes that I made. So to start off, the first thing I wish I knew before starting was how much education and how much stuff there is to really know about the business. And really, I wish I just would have immersed myself in mentors, education, all the content I could get, and all the knowledge that there is to know in order to grow an Amazon business. When I was first starting, I was just so excited. I thought I knew it all. I was like, I want to make all this money selling books. So I just got out there, started doing it. I didn't keep educating myself on different business models, different tactics, different ways to make my life easier. And it really held me back with growth and really just scaling my business overall. And the great thing about educating yourself, maybe finding a coach or a mentor or something like that, is you're gonna make less mistakes along the way. If you can learn from someone who's already been there, made those same mistakes, they're gonna be able to help guide you. So in the end, you guys aren't making the same mistakes that they made as a beginner, so it's gonna help you guys grow exponentially faster. Okay guys, the next thing I wish I knew was just putting myself in my customer's shoes. When I first started with my first private label product on Amazon, I just wanted things to go so fast. I wanted to get started. I just did everything myself. I didn't seek help, photos, nothing like that. And in turn, I was sacrificing my brand's image, my product's image to the customer. Now that I look back on it, if I were to go as a customer and look at my old products or my old listings that I used to have up, there's no way I'd be buying it. The pictures suck, the listings suck. There's just no real effort that went into this stuff. So that's why I think it's so important. Put yourself in the customer's shoes, look at your competition. Does your listing stack up? Does your offer stack up? Do your photos stack up compared to all the other competitors? Because in the end, you're gonna be competing with other sellers. It's just a fact of the game. And if you're not increasing quality, increasing the way you're presenting your product to the customer, they're gonna choose your competition over you every single time. Okay guys, so in the end, always make sure you guys are looking at it for what it is. Be honest with yourself, put yourself in your customer's shoes, and really just look, hey, does my product look as good as the others or better? Because in the end, your customer is probably gonna be thinking the same thing. So by doing this, you're gonna be able to see all these mistakes and just get them fixed before you really start, getting your product out there and getting it launched. Next thing is going to be focusing on things that matter, money-making things, right? So many people just focus on money, money, money. They want to make money so quick, they don't care what it costs. They skip stuff, they skip parts in the process, they rush things. And when you rush things, guys, your quality isn't gonna be there. Your listing presentation isn't gonna be there. So focusing on the things that matter, like product photography, descriptions, your listing, things that are actually going to sell your product are gonna bring you all the results in the end. Don't just focus on, hey, I need to get selling, I need to get started as quick as possible. Focus on doing the things that really matter, getting them solid, getting them ready to go from the start, so then you can have a successful product launch, get your product up and running, and it's successful from the beginning. You don't want to be 2 months into the process, trying to figure out ways to further optimize your photos, or maybe your photos just suck, so now you're gonna have to seek out getting new photos. You want your product to sell as quickly as possible, the most amount as possible right off the bat. You don't want to be figuring this stuff out 2 months down the line. And that comes to my next point. Be patient, guys. This takes time. Amazon takes time. You're not going to come in and build $1 million per month business in 2 months, guys. It takes time. You have to be patient. If you guys want your products to really start selling at a high level, you have to be patient with it. Most products you launch aren't going to just snap and take off to the moon right off the bat. Every once in a while you will, but you have to start doing things that are going to get your product to start selling. That's launching it, getting sales, getting reviews, getting a higher rank so your product starts showing up for more search terms organically. All these different things take time, so it's important. Be patient. If you're a weekend and you're not doing 30 sales a day, that's fine, guys. You have to really build up your listing, get those reviews, so you can, in the end, just start selling as much as your competitors. Hey guys, next thing is going to be, it takes money to make money in this business. I see so many people on social media getting discouraged because they're looking, hey, that dude over there is doing $400,000 a month and I'm only doing $10,000 a month. I'm not as good as him. I can't ever get to that point. But what people fail to realize is this business takes money. We're in a physical products business. You have to buy inventory in order to sell it. And if you don't have money to buy that inventory, you're not going to be doing these big sales numbers. Before you start to compare yourself to all these other mega sellers, really think about it. These guys have been doing it for a lot longer than you. They have a lot more capital and experience than you. So don't get discouraged. Stay on your own journey and don't be comparing yourself to others. Next thing I wish I knew before starting was really, caring about quality with everything that I'm doing. Quality products, quality photos, quality parts of my listing, hiring the right people to do the jobs that I want to get done. When I first started out, guys, I wanted to get started so quickly. I didn't care. The first supplier I found, I bought my products from. I took pictures on my own. I didn't invest in my listing at all. And the results showed, guys. My product didn't get off to a good start. I got it up and selling, but now that I know the stuff that I know, I could have had that product selling way quicker, a lot more units, and I would have just been in a totally, completely different space right now. So don't be afraid to invest in your brand. Invest in a product photographer that knows what they're doing. Invest in quality products, guys. Don't always try to source the cheapest product out there, right? Pay for quality, guys. Even if you have to spend $1, $2 extra per unit, but the quality difference is, quality's up here and then the cheaper guys down here. Always pay for that higher quality because your customers are going to notice, and the customers in the end are going to leave better reviews for your product, which in turn is going to get you more and more sales. Okay guys, so don't be cheap, don't skip out. Hire the people for stuff you don't know how to do, invest in quality, and trust me, you guys will see an amazing and huge difference. And the last thing I wish I knew was just capitalizing on the momentum I had going. I had so many distractions. I was trying to do this, I was trying to do that, and I wasn't focused on the things that were actually working in my business. I was just trying to find each and every way to make money, and it really hurt me in the long run. So once you know if something's working, maybe you got private label down, your products are scaling, go order, find a new product, launch a new product, keep that momentum going. Once you know how to do it, you can replicate that over and over and over again, and really just keep that momentum going so you guys can keep growing, making more money, growing your brand, and really just growing everything there is to grow on Amazon. But that's my few little tips I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you guys some value. If you're new to Amazon or struggling with Amazon and are looking for a program, a coach, or something of that nature to get you guys started, I actually just launched my brand new Amazon FBA Wizards 2.0 coaching program, which features 90 videos, over 8 hours of content. Plus, you're going to get access to a private Facebook group where you can ask me questions. I'm there to help you guys with every step of the process, whether that be product selection, analyzing a marketplace for you guys, product photos, anything you guys need help with. That's what this program is for. So if you're someone looking to get started, want some extra guidance, be sure to check that out, link in the description. You'll also be able to see some of my past students' testimonials on that page. Had some amazing people go through the program last year. It was very limited to a few amount of people. I didn't have a ton of people go through it, but the ones that did go through it, listened to my advice, took my coaching, they were able to really get some great results. So make sure you go check out those student testimonials on that page as well. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, we have a free Facebook page linked down in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video.